Hi friends, this is Kiranpreet from Mohali. Today I'm going to show you my father's garden. It's a very beautiful garden. So let's see. So to start with, my father has a beautiful collection of guldodi plants. So you can see the flowers. This is a beautiful pink color guldodi, and then this is a maroon. This is also very beautiful guldodi. Again, it's a maroon and a yellowish tone. This is white in color. You can see it's so beautiful, so fresh. This is another bunch. Beautiful flowers. You can see the colors, so natural, so soothing to eyes. It's a beautiful light pink, pinkish purple. You can see. This is yellow guldadi. So beautiful, isn't it? This is a beautiful bougainvillea. It's dark red magenta. So beautiful. And another color in bougainvillea is white. You can see the white shade. This is orange bougainvillea. This is cactus. So green, and the flowers you can see pinkish in tone. This is another cactus plant, the same one but the different color. So magenta, pink, you can say, not magenta. It's a pink, darker pink, and this is a lighter shade. Again, I want to show you a different variety of flower. This is you never have seen. It's pink and purple. So different variety. This is petunia. This is pink and with white strips into it. So beautiful, right? This is purple petunia. So beautiful, mesmerized to see these flowers. My father has this very engaging hobby, and he's very fond of these lovely flowers. So this is again guldodi. This is again a plant that I don't know the name. The leaves are of red and yellowish in color. This is beautiful. And this money plant, these are dog flowers, two shades. This is purple and this is red and yellow. This is again guldodi, yellow in color. So lovely and fresh, just like a sun. So this is my favorite flower plant, that is rose. So you can see the two shades. It's a merged one, like it is grafted, I think. This is a grafted rose. So it has pink and yellow tone into it. So some of the flowers you can see. And this is tulsi. It's very beneficial. It's a medicinal plant. We use it for tea. Some seeds are very good for health. Its leaves we use for preparing tea also, and it's very useful in cough. And this is more punky. This you must know. This is a green plant. It is a seed plant basically. It has seeds to it. See. And this is the green plant. You can see, so beautiful. Again, this is also green plant. This is genda, the lemon yellow color. So beautiful, right? This is another variety of genda. This is orange. It's still flourishing. The bud of genda is coming here also. It will flourish in few days. Little kitchen garden my father has made. He has planted this spinach and coriander. You can see, so green. And this is an eggplant. This is a Christmas tree, so beautiful. You can see Ashoka trees also, so beautiful. And a lemon tree with some of the lemons you can see here. And my father has bought some of these nest from Kerala, and he has hanged all these here. Look so beautiful. He has also hanged some of the pots here, some of the plants. This is Cineraria. Cineraria plant. The flowers are not here, and I think it will flourish after some time. It's ready. This is mango tree, and this is a bottle palm tree. This one, so lovely. And this is cactus. This curry patta is also here. You can see the curry patta. This is a rose plant. This is another Guldodi plants planted here. This is yellow color, and this is a mix of red. Not red, really. It's maroon, lighter shade. This is white. So beautiful, right? These are the same roses that I showed you before, and this is a yellow one. And yes, these are the money plants whale. So lovely. You can see the green lovely money plant. And this is a neem tree, which is another beneficial plant in our garden, as it purifies the air, and also we can use its stems for brushing our teeth. And there's a homemade nest, you can see, that is made by my father only. It's a lovely one, lovely nest. This is kidney, and these are green chili plants, you can see. This is aloe vera, another beneficial plant. It's very good for our skin. And yes, this is a lovely garden. My father works very hard for this, and he loves his plants like his own children. And it is his hobby, as he's retired, and he likes gardening a lot. And moreover, plants are very beneficial for us also. Hopefully you like this.